What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today we are unboxing BoxyCharm for the month of September. Yeah, I just got this baby in, and even though I'm evacuated, I bought some stuff with me so I could film this video for y'all. So if you guys want to see what's in this BoxyCharm base box, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and today we have BoxyCharm base box. Now, before I get into the unboxing really quick, I did have to evacuate, so I am praying that everything is okay when I return home, if we get to return home soon. So, say a little prayer for me, y'all, that everything works out for the better. Thank you in advance. Also, I am praying for all of my subscribers, or anybody that's watching me that is evacuated or has gone through the hurricanes recently. It's tough, y'all, but we'll make it through, trust me. Now, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I am rocking my Who Dat shirt today since football season started yesterday for the Saints. I don't know if we won or lost because I did this before the game, but fingers crossed that we did. So without further ado, let's get some specs on this box right here and unbox it, boo. Oh, girl, our drink today is this little raspberry cocktail. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Excuse the background, y'all. I picked the one that was closest to my door when I was leaving, and this is the most wrinkled, but okay. So this, guys, is the BoxyCharm base box. This one is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products, where you're supposed to get 5 full-size beauty products with a minimum value of like $125. I do have a link down below if you guys want to subscribe to BoxyCharm. Let's cut her open and see. Whew. Oh, girl, we got a card. This is what the inside of the box looks like, my loves. We do get a card on the front right here. This is what it looks like, and it looks like the theme is glam vibes only. This is what it looks like, guys. And on the back right here, we get all of the products we received as well as the prices. And I have variation 90 right there. Y'all, I do not have my normal lighting, so if the lighting looks off, I apologize about that. First thing I'm pulling out is this Trestique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essential Set. Now, it's about to be fall, so why am I getting a Summer Glow? Girl, okay. It's a mini Summer Essential Set. And there is 4 pencils in here. I think I saw this unboxed last month on somebody's channel. I can't remember who, but let's see what we have in here. Let me read the back. So you have a mini highlight stick, a mini blush stick, mini shadow crayon, and a mini brow pencil. This one right here is the mini highlighting stick right there. And that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it, y'all, because I don't think I'm gonna give this away to nobody. That's actually really pretty. That's the highlighting stick. And then we have the mini blush stick right there. That is very pink. That's the blush shade right there. And this one is the mini shadow crayon right there. And they really are minis. This one is cute. Now let me swatch that one. And that's that one right there. And then lastly, we have a brow stick, which, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one. Oh, it's cute though. It's cut like a little angle. I hope you guys are able to see that. And I don't know if this is gonna be my color or not, but it's very hard to apply. Very dry, like, I don't know if y'all could see that, but that's the brow stick. It's very dry. I don't know. But yeah, so they're starting off with a summer Essential Glow and Go mini set here. And let's see what this retails for. This, guys, is, girl, $42. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Okay. The next product is from Laura Geller, and this is the volumizing mascara right there. That's what that looks like, my loves. And it's supposed to, now I think I got a mascara last month. I don't know, I'm gonna have to rewatch my videos. I think I got a mascara last month. I'm tired of mascaras, y'all. So this is smooth formula, provides extra volume without clumping. It has protective properties. It's wavy fibers. So this is the before and after, which my eyes never look like that. And y'all know I am a part of the Itty Bitty Lash Committee. And we have the shade Black, guys. When we pull it out, it's just standard black packaging. And when we open it, that's what the bristles look like. Now, I do like this bristle. It is more of like a volumizing bristle, so I do like that. And let me see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black, and it retails for 24 bucks. If you hear that, that's the air conditioner just clicked on. Let's take a drink break, because next product I'm pulling out is Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. And that's what it looks like right there. So in this little pack here, you get a face mask, an eye mask, and a lip mask. So let's open this up. Now, I do know BoxyCharm does not go by the profiles anymore, because if they did, they would know I don't like no face mask. But, okay. Since I'm evacuated and have nothing else to do, maybe I could try it out. And this is from, what company did I say? Let me look and see. These are from SF Glow Glam in Paradise 3-piece mask set right here. So I'm gonna hold them back here, guys, because it's changing my lighting. So this one would be the face mask right here, the gold foil face mask. This one is the lip mask right there. And then lastly, we have the eye mask. So I actually am gonna try these out since I am, you know, I guess not vacationing, but have nothing else to do. So this right here, guys, retails for $18. And let me know if you guys have tried this brand before. I did not get to choose an item this month because all of the choice items that I wanted were gone. So they chose for me, and what they chose was the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Serum. Holly, girl, we got an eye serum. I do enjoy Pharmacy's products. I just don't want another eye cream. Like, ugh, I don't. But the box is very cute, guys. That's what it looks like right there. And when we pull it out, this is what the little jar looks like. It is a glass jar. And on the bottom here, it does say made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Okay, cool. So let's open this baby up. It has a little safety seal. When we pull it up, okay, I don't really smell anything. That's what it looks like on the inside. It doesn't look to be really full, actually. But I guess eye creams, you don't get a lot in there because you just need a little bit. But I don't smell nothing. I thought it would smell like cherry. I don't know. Let's see. Let me swatch it on my hand. Rub it out. Do that. Okay, you just need a little bit for an eye cream. It does feel nice and moisturizing, so I will definitely get some use out of this. Let me see if it has anything in particular to say about this product. A super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, delivers instant radiance to the eye area. It's a clean, fragrance-free formula, and you get, how much you get in here? You get 0.5 fluid ounces of product, and this retails for $45, guys. Wow, 45 bucks. So our final product is a palette. And this is the Alamar Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette in Spanglish right there. Now I don't mind receiving this palette, but I wanted that Hip Dot palette. That thing was so gorgeous. But Let's see what Alamar Cosmetics is working with. I do love their formula. I don't think I own an eyeshadow palette from them, so that's gonna be different. Ooh, it does come with a mirror. Hey girl. And oh, the shades are very pretty, y'all. So I can't even say anything about it because they are. Those are the shades right there. Beautiful. We have some pressed shades up here on the top, and down here is some matte shades. I am gonna swatch them so that we can see how they look. Okay, that's 5 of the shades swatched right there. Okay, all right, Alamar, these are all of the shimmers, and that's a matte shade. Y'all, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, well, I'm not mad about receiving this palette. I actually really like this. Okay. All right, let's see what this baby retails for. And this Alamar Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette retails for $28, guys. Now, that was our final product in this month's BoxyCharm base box. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. But let's take a drink first. So we received from Alamar Cosmetics this eyeshadow palette. From Pharmacy, the Cheer Up Eye Cream. Laura Geller, the volumizing mascara. SF Glow, the 3-sheet mask. And Trustique Glow and Go mini set. So these 5 products right here. I will put the grand total somewhere around here, guys. But final thoughts on this month's box was, it was okay. I'm gonna put the spoilers right here, all of the spoilers. And I mean, they had a nice brush set. I saw they had the Hip Dot palette, they had a Huda Beauty, and I don't know, my box just looks like it was a little underwhelming to me. It looks like a lot of leftover products, especially these 2 here, especially if I see Laura Geller at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And this is a summer glow kit when we're almost in fall. The only product I'm really excited about was this eyeshadow palette here because it's swatched out beautifully. Look at that, gorgeous. The sheet mask, so I mean, I don't know. I think, I don't know. I'm gonna say it was an okay box for this month. I'm just not, I don't know, all the good spoilers they put out. And I think BoxyCharm just does that old bait and switch. They release all these beautiful, pricey, high-end spoilers, and then right before they ship their first PR box, they hit us with box variations that's like, where this came from? I don't know how I feel about that, y'all. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what's your thoughts on my BoxyCharm for this month. Let me know what you got in your base box. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn ocean, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give BoxyCharm for the month of September on their base box a whopping 2.5 to maybe 3. I just was not blown away, guys, and that's just how I feel. But that's all that I have for today. I do apologize for the quality, y'all. I had to go to Walmart, get a little ring light. I bought this backdrop with me, so my videos don't look like they normally do. But I do apologize for how everything is looking today. I hope you will consider subscribing to your girl. Hit that little button and become a part of my squad. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Also give this video a big thumbs up if this is the kind of content you like seeing from me. And that's all that I have. Until next time in next video, I will talk to you guys in the comments and on Wednesday. Bye, guys.